recording too?
Yeah.
Don't take it to school and show it to everybody.
Damn it! It needs to charge.
Yeah, take my phone.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna use mommy's phone.
No. It's not a pretty sight, man. The other day I was cutting and this rubber fell and started to attack the rubber. See all the speckles come up.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Please. One's gone. Two's gone. Bang, bang. Ouch.
This is not.
One bite. Hold on. One bite, yeah?
Yep.
Where's the... Oh, do you think... He's gone too. So only the big ones left. Wait, what happened to the one here?
Eden.
That's down here. Oh, it's gone.
Oh no,
Oh,
this
no,
one
no,
down
no.
here.
No, the one up there's in this one's mouth.
No, where's the other one?
Here.
Oh.
One there.
Up.
There's so many cars outside.
Yeah, they're open.
Lord, I hope we get a decent neighbor.
Yeah, in.